Welcome to our first Read Lab pre-reading game. It's called What's That Sound? Today we're looking at beginning sounds. So I'm going to tell you a word and we're going to break the word into smaller parts, so the single sounds in the word. Then we're going to find out what sound comes at the beginning of the word. I'm going to show you what this looks like to begin with. Then we'll do some together. Then you're going to have a turn all by yourself. So to start, I'm going to show you 4 words and we're going to listen to the word, break the word apart into the separate sounds, then find out what sound we can hear at the beginning. Well, the first word is tap. Say the word tap. In the word tap, there are 3 sounds. T, a, p. Say them a bit quicker. T, a, p. Tap. At the beginning of the word tap, I hear t, t, t. Can you say t? The second word is mate. Say mate. In the word mate, there are the sounds a, t. 3 sounds in the word mate. Let's count the sounds together and find out what comes at the beginning. Mate. A, t. The beginning sound is Now the word is net. I'm going to show you again for 2 more, then we'll have a turn together. Say the word net. We're going to break it apart into the sounds in net. I hear e, t. 3 sounds in the word net. I'm going to say them again. E, t. The beginning sound I heard was n. The word net starts with n. And the last word that I'm going to do is sip. Can you say sip? I'm going to say all the sounds I can hear in sip. Sip. S, I, p. Sip. There are 3 sounds in sip. At the beginning of sip, I hear s, I, p. The beginning sound in sip is s. Now, we're going to do some together. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Then we're going to break the word apart into the sounds. Word number 1 is meat. Can you say meat? Now, we're going to say the sounds that we can hear in meat together. Ready? E, t. Meat. E, t. What sound did you hear at the beginning of meat? Did you say Word number 2 is nap. Can you say nap? We're going to do this one together. Let's say all the sounds that we can hear in nap. A, p. 3 sounds. What was the sound that you heard at the beginning? Is the sound I can hear at the beginning of nap. Word number 3. The word is sun. Can you say sun? Now, let's say all the sounds that we can hear in sun. Sun. S, a, n. There are 3 sounds in the word sun. What did you hear at the beginning? S is the beginning sound in sun. S, a, n. Sun. Our last word that we're going to do together is 10. Can you say 10? I can hear the sounds t, e, n in the word 10. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Did you say t? T is at the beginning of 10. Now it's your turn by yourself. I'm going to tell you the words, then you're going to tell me the sounds, then tell me what's at the beginning. The first word is tip. Say tip. Say all the sounds. Tell me what sound you hear at the beginning. In the word tip, t is the first sound. Your turn again. The word is 9. Say 9. Say the sounds that are in 9. Tell me what sound you hear at the beginning. At the beginning of 9, the sound is n. The word is mark. Say mark. Tell me all the sounds. Tell me the sound that you hear at the beginning. At the beginning of mark, the sound is mm. Last one. Sack. Say the word sack. Say all the sounds. Tell me the sound you hear at the beginning. S is the first sound in sack. Thanks for playing What's That Sound beginning sound with me. I bet you did so well, and you're just getting yourself ready to do some real reading. Breaking words into their small parts is the first step towards reading. Great work.